Working with 3D rendering in LightWave and dealing with LUX scene files, these contain complete 3D scene data for rendering. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these LightWave scene files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful LUX troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. A user encounters a LUX file when saving or sharing a 3D project from LightWave 3D. They need to open it to view, edit, or render the 3D scene, which includes models, lighting, camera positions, and animation data. This format is crucial for project continuity and collaboration among 3D artists. The LUX format is a proprietary binary-based scene description file. It's designed to efficiently store complex hierarchical data, including object references, surface properties, lighting parameters, and animation keyframes. This structure allows for rapid loading and parsing by the LightWave application, prioritizing performance over human readability or cross-platform compatibility. Your primary software solution for LUX files should be LightWave 3D from NewTek. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows reveals only basic metadata, so deeper inspection requires purpose-built CAD tools. Your first step towards successfully opening the file. Right-click the LUX file and select Open With. If LightWave 3D is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. A test is required. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, opening in LightWave. Launch LightWave 3D layout and use File then Load Scene to open the LUX file. The application loads scene geometry references, displays the 3D viewport with cameras, lights, and objects positioned. Verify object file paths are accessible. If scenes reference moved or missing assets, relink them through the Replace Object function in Layout. Next, loading external objects. LightWave scenes reference LWO object files stored separately from the scene file. Maintain proper directory structure with content folders containing both scene LUX and object LWO files. Use Content Manager through File menu to package scenes with all dependencies for sharing or migration to different LightWave installations and computers. Finally, migrating to other software. For migration to alternative 3D applications, use LightWave's export functions to convert geometry to FBX, OBJ, or Alembic formats. These neutral formats import into Blender Maya 3ds Max or Cinema 4D. Note that LightWave-specific shaders, animation rigs, and procedural elements may require manual recreation in the destination application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.